Hi, boys and girls. This week, to end the school year, we are going to have a picnic. So, why not do some picnic math? And we are going to do just addition today, which means we're going to add more to our picnic table, okay? So, I want you to see this picnic table. There's a plate that has chicken. Oh, that looks like a chocolate chip cookie. Over here is an apple. And then here, oh, some potato chips. In the middle, a sandwich. Oh, that's a piece of pie. And then over here, it looks like celery, maybe with some peanut butter or cheese. And that looks like a piece of watermelon. And of course, we have something to drink, maybe lemonade. All right. So that's our picnic table. And to be able to eat any of these things, we are going to need some paper plates. And our paper plates look like this. Okay, can you see the paper plates? All right, so we're going to start out, and our first three math problems will be with paper plates. So I'm going to move the camera so you can see the tabletop for our picnic, all right? And how many paper plates do we already have on our table? 1, 2, all right. And then we are going to use our spinner to figure out how many more paper plates we need to add to our table. Oh, what number is this? Can you tell? If I take that away, there's 4. Whoops, excuse me. There's 4. All right, so let's add 4 more. We started with 2. Now we're going to add 4. 1, 2. Let me turn it this way so you can kind of see. 3 and 4. Oh my goodness. So we started with 2. We put 4 on. How many do we have all together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so far we have 6 total paper plates. We started with 2. We added 4. We ended up with 6. So we read this by saying 2 plus 4 equals 6. Can you repeat after me? 2 plus 4 equals 6. Very good. All right. Now, we better find out what our next picnic table looks like, okay? How many paper plates do we start with here? Well, let's see. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my goodness, we are starting with 5 paper plates. I wonder how many more we are going to add. Well, let's find out with our spinner, okay? All right, and here's the rule. If it comes up with a 4, we're not going to do the 4. We'll do something different. Oh my goodness. We have to add how many? 7. That's going to take a while to find that many paper plates. So let's start over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put 5, 6, and 7. Boy, lots of people can eat at our picnic, can't they? All right, so we started with 5. We added 7. How many do we have all together? Well, let's find out. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my goodness. So we have 5, and we added 7. We end up with 12. And this reads 5 plus 7 equals 12. Can you read that with me? 5 plus 7 equals 12. Whew. That's a lot of people helping us eat at our picnic. All right. Well, let's look at our next picnic table. How many plates do we have on our tablecloth already? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're starting with 3. Now, oh, I can't wait to see how many we are going to add. Let me find the spinner. Can you see the spinner? All right. Oh my goodness. Guess what? We have to add, what number is this? 8. Okay, just a second. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one more is 8. Huh. So we started with 3. We put 8 more paper plates. How many people can eat with us? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh my goodness. So this is what it looks like. We started with 3. We added 8 more. We end up with 11 total. So 3 plus 8 equals 11. Can you say that after me? 3 plus 8 equals 11. Good job. All right. Boy, we could have lots of people at our picnic. Uh-oh. Do you see what's happened on this tablecloth? Do you know what these are? Those are ants. Do ants sometimes like to visit us when we are at a picnic? Well, let's find out how many ants we have so far on our picnic table. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you know what? The ants are very hungry and they see all of this wonderful food, so more ants are going to come. Let's use the die to figure out how many more. I'll roll it there and then I'll show you. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. Oh no. Help me count 5 more ants. 1. Whoops. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Oh my goodness. We started with 4. We added 5 more. How many do we have total? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ants on our picnic table. So let's look at what it looks like to write it out. We started with 4. We put 5 more in. We end up with 9. So this reads 4 plus 5 equals 9. Can you say that after me? 4 plus 5 equals 9. Oh, that's a lot of ants, isn't it? All right. Oh, how many ants do we have here? Oh my goodness, this is easy to count, isn't it? Because we only have 1. Well, that's good. Because I don't know about you, but I don't like to have a lot of ants around at my picnic. All right, so we're starting with 1. How many are we going to add? Let's find out. I'll roll the die. Oh, can you tell what that is? 1, 2, 3. So we're going to add 3 ants to our picnic table. And then we'll figure out how many we have all together. So let's do it this way. 1, 2, 3. We started with 1. I have to do 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. All right. Now, how many do we have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness. So it looks like this. We started with 1. We put 3 more in. We have a total of 4 ants. It reads 1 plus 3 equals 4. Can you say that after me? 1 plus 3 equals 4. Good job. All right. Now how many? Oh my goodness. I think we have a really big ant problem at our picnic. How many do we have already? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ants. Oh, I hope we don't add many more. Oh, how many are we going to add? Let's find out. Oh my goodness. We are going to add just 2. Oh, that's not too bad. All right. So we start with 6. We're going to add 2. How many are we going to add up with total? Well, let's put the other 2 on. So 1, 2. Now, how many do we have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, this is the way it looks. Okay, 6 plus 2 equals 8. We started with 6. We put 2 more in. We have 8. So can you say this after me? 6 plus 2 equals 8. Ah, that's a lot of ants too. Oh my goodness. All right, so I don't think we'll have an ant problem when we are at our picnic at school. So don't worry about the ants there, but I bet we'll have lots of delicious food to share with everybody in our family. That's the fun part, isn't it? All right, we did our last edition of the year. And remember, when we have addition, we are putting more in. So in this case, we have more on our picnic table. All right, boys and girls, thank you for helping. Bye bye.